All right, guys. So we are here at Sunyani. And this part of Sunyani is called Asufufu Koonum. And there is an ongoing project that is the ring road. So as you can see from my back, this is my back. That is Koonum Asufufu. So when you pass this road, you're going to Watchman. Yes, exactly Watchman. Then from Watchman, then you get to Koonum Asufufu. Then you go to the Koonum itself. And at my back, I think at my back is Bakuniaba and the nearby towns. Yes, the sub towns in Sunyani. And this is the ring road. You can see how large the project is looking. Just look at the length. I mean, when you look at the length and then the size of the road and how big it is, I think this road, if it's done, everything's going to be okay for the good people of Sunyani and then the Pono region. Remember, Sunyani is the Sun City, and the Sun City deserves better. And this is the ring road that is Excellency John Dramani Mama is currently doing. This is one of the biggest projects he's doing in Pono. And then we have took our time to show you how the project is going. So if this is your first time, yeah, kindly stay tuned and come back and watch our videos, because we'll be dropping more videos about Sunyani on this platform, because currently we are dwelling in Sunyani currently. Yeah, so my Sunyani people, make sure to get in touch. If you have a project that you want us to show to the whole world, just link up. Karma Studios are going to deliver. So this is part of the ring road that His Excellency is doing. Yes, very, very big. Yes, I cannot open my eyes because the sun is scorching a lot. And Abrafon yeah, but down sana and to me I show more. And I think I'm loving my stay in here because yeah, the city is so cool, not congested like the other towns. Let's see, Accra is too congested, Kumasi is too congested, Techima is too congested. These are the Takrade is a bit congested, but not congested like Techima and Sunyani, Accra and Kumasi. Yeah. But when it comes to Sunyani, the reason why I love Sunyani is Abusunya Wiskakrana, you feel okay, you feel better. Yeah, I sent now, but even the father say yes. You feel better because of one thing, because chrono, everybody is free, and then when you are in the town or traffic in that north papa now call baby as a chrono with the deans, what I say, it has that kind of vibe, it's a full vibe, and as will be a few be one sem. So that is the reason why you could see say Brekum is bringing in a lot of artists to come and perform to make the city well known. But when it comes to Sunyani, they have the money, they can bring all the artists in the country to Sunyani. But I think it's not a noisy town because they want this, yeah. And then the Duma Fest came. We have made a video about that, so if you haven't watched it, make sure to go and watch it on our platform, because the Duma Fest and Abusunya Nana Ayebia for Jana did a lot of things. He brought a year Imrana, that is Sunyani's own, and then alongside Wendy Shea, Kweku Smoke, Familia, and then which was Amrado. Yeah, Amrado, one of the best rappers in the country, what didn't buy it. And then yeah, so that's how Sunyani is. Senye Duma Festa, and can you not see say big artists are pulling up in Sunyani? Stoneboy passed through Sunyani when he was going to perform at Chira, and then he stepped down, did a lot of cleanups, and then so as you can see, work is still ongoing. They are still working on it, and I think when this road is done, Abusunya light walk town to get to the nearby surroundings, because where I stay, yeah, they need lights. So I think when this project is being done, a lot of things are going to come up. So the 2 years, 3 years time, about that is how it is. So here is Sunyani, and I think this place is part of Watchman. Yeah, for sure. Okay, guys, so we are still on the checkpoint. Said I can abusia enka twi na bona na we na busia where dey. Titi and I'm quite busia brafo but you have to take it like that. Sorry for shouting, but I think I'm loving this project. It is the reason why I'm shouting like that. I'm even sweating, but for the love of the game, you have to do it. Abusia, I just saw something that I want to share with you guys on this platform. Now, the ring road that they are constructing at the Sun City, Abusia, this part of the road, you could see say a lot of rocks. Now, see these rocks. We your boy kakrakapa a friend of rocks. Yes, and Charlie, it's a new machine span, a manpower. How you gonna do this? Charlie, it's not easy. Oh. They had to crack these stones, and then let me show you where they took it from. Ibia, the mechanic, Ibia now want to see. Yeah. See, I just want you guys to see it clear. When you know a papa if you Koonum. Tubo say a quino, a challenge street. Here is a sloping area. I had no slopey. As you can see, I had slopey. My back is sloping. I had a quino more like a mountain. Into honey a bought, so they had to. I mean, you try to turn your muscle, or so much you turn your muscle. I'm crack it. Sorry, guys. I also crack in your mano. Na omutumi. I say, Kwano Bibiabe Kama, and then they are doing exactly the same. And then there is this one thing that I have to show you guys too, and I think you understand better what I'm trying to say in the video. Now see this for yourself. This is what I'm talking about, you know. We know a rock and kasankasa. Nankopon obwade you know, this is the rocks I would do as asiasi. It is a way we'll be now to see what this part of the area, and you're about to build your your home, your house, and maybe you want to do a project on it. You need a lot of machines to break this, because because my house is not far from here. So when I'm in the house, remember they work day and night, and you know, when I'm in the house, you could hear the noise of the machine cracking these rocks, boom, 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 and yeah, it talks a lot. So as you can see, yeah, you understand what I'm trying to say, right? So at my back is what I was saying, that it is Bakuniaba and the sub towns, and then this road leads to the Watchman, Koonum Asufufu. Yeah, sure. I hope I'm not getting it wrong. Koonum Asufufu, and then you get to new site, and then you get to the Kuku board. Sure. So we have got to a section of the road where I have to show you. Let me make it clear. We have to show you the contractor. I didn't know the contractor. Sorry, guys. The microphone just messed up, so we need to use the phone's microphone. And if you're hearing some noise, please forgive me. And it is saying, let me show you. Caution: heavy equipment in operation. And these are some of the machines that he's using to construct the ring road. And then Kofi Job, I don't know if you can see, Kofi Job Company Limited. And damn, bro, the man is taking all the contracts in the country right now, because when you get to, I think, Gosu Tepa, yes, that road is being constructed by Kofi Job. And I think all over the country where the president is constructing the road, he is having a contract in there. And I must say, I must commend him for the good work. Damn, if you pay him, he's going to deliver. And I think this is part of his projects, and I'm loving it. So what you can see from my back, that is Kofi Job's work. And the guy is, the man is rich. He's not the guy. Sorry, guys. He's so rich, because when you see the kind of machines he's using to construct one of roads, bro, forget it. Huh? Charlie, with him who can be a 504. That means it is car number 504. Father, bless me. With so much money. that you'll be counting on a cars like as if it is the money that we have in the bank account. And hopefully, if you're doing the right job and if you're not missing, I think God will answer your prayers. So, Kofi Job is really doing well on this road. Damn, he is working. He's working, and a lot of residents are also coming in because the road is being constructed. So as you can see, a lot of residents in there. They are moving in soon. They will be coming in to stay, and then if they come to stay, this place is also going to develop. So if you're also looking for a land to buy, I will recommend this place for you to come and then buy, because I think this place will be cheaper than the more developed areas. And as I said earlier, the road is not that I can say any flat. Yes, it's not on the same level. It's not on a level. So Kofi Job is trying his possible best to make some bridges and do all kind of things to make the road look more beautiful and then accessible by the residents over here in the Sun City, and anyone who tries to come around this area or pass through this area. And as I'm saying, I won't talk much. These are some of the things that he's doing on the road. Marvelous job. And Charlie, I think in the country right now, he's the one doing all the roads. So when it comes to roads, I think he's the best contractor. He's the best Ghanaian contractor. I don't know. I'm saying what I'm seeing. If you also see another one, make sure to comment in the comment section. Because for me, I think he's the most popular road contractor in the country right now. So as you can see, these are the bridges being constructed. So it should be fun. Yeah, it should be fun. Now from and then Charlie, it's not easy. This part is scary. You cannot get down. God Almighty, bro. We are doing this shit. Sorry for using that word. So, as you can see here, it should be foam. Naba. So this is one of the things that is being done on the road, and we need to show you. Kofi Job is actually working, man. He's actually working, guys. I'm sweating. Someone said the sun is scorching. So he's actually working. I think this is not done. He's still working on it. Okay. So we have we be account. So roughly, this is how it will be done. When it's done, this is how it's going to be. So this part is part of it, like I say, they are done. But we need the I feel I'm doing that too. So they will do it just like this one. Bro. Forget Ekwaye is not kiddie them are playing. So this is the part that is being done, and then I think say they are done. It should be flu now connected her. I'm her. So as you can see, there is a space over here. It's already really beside us show no more here. Now I think say you be come on. And the car passing over there. These are the sand and then the gravels. So it's not easy to construct a road, and the president is actually doing well, bro. He's doing well. The kind of work he's putting in to make sure the country looks beautiful. When was it? I had a conversation with Flying Flags He has traveled to 28 African countries, and then I asked him about how Ghanaian rules are. Let's compare Ghanaian rules to the 28 countries that he has traveled to, and then he mentioned Ivory Coast. He mentioned Benin. He said Benin has one of the best roads in the continent, but they are not projecting it because Ghanaians are allowed on the internet. And then Goshes said the same thing on Facebook, and then people were bashing him. That's this small Benin, where can they get money to construct road? Ghana, we have the best road. And then when you see Kumasi to Accra road, even though the promise that the president has promised Ghanaians to construct the express highway for the Kumasi Accra highway, road, that is a death trap, bro. Death trap. I've passed there once. Sorry for the English. Titi and the I've passed there once. But Charlie, the road, Musha, potholes. Yeah, I think the country needs improvement, and that is exactly what the president is currently doing. Because as I was speaking to Flying Flags, he made me understand that in Benin, in Namibia, in Ivory Coast, you can travel like 3 hours without seeing any speed ramp, without seeing any potholes on the road. Just the road, you are just riding or driving or walking on it. So I think Ghana, we need to do better, because by the name that we're having globally, and on our roads, we need to fix them. So this is what Kofi Job is actually doing in the Sun City, and I am showing you guys what exactly is happening. So see you guys in another video. Make sure to subscribe to this platform. Remember, the contractor is Kofi Job. Yeah, there is his signboard. We see a ruffling here. So I will see you in our next episode of videos. Remember, we'll be doing multiple videos on the ring road, so kindly come back and watch our videos. Mr. Mo bro for someone yet send me no Sabri Sunyani near one here the ring road the president is currently doing in the Sun City. Sunyani, and ever sure so you come back and watch our videos, because we'll be doing much more videos on it. Maybe our ring road for Biano, we make sure say we do a video about it. Sunyani to Atronie road, we also do it for you guys. And also na fi Sunyani so ne fair baby baby was and then we are going to do, let's start from Sunyani, and as time goes on we'll be doing town to town, and then the whole country. Thanks for watching us today. I go by the name Sticky the Sweet Pasta, your favorite and the youngest content creator in your country, and I'm finally out, bro.